Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to set up PayPal in the USA. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the official PayPal website. Look for the prominent Sign Up button, usually located in the top right corner of the homepage. You'll then choose between a personal or business account, depending on your needs. Finally, provide a valid email address and create a strong, unique password to secure your new account. Next, you'll need to fill in your personal details accurately. This includes your full legal name, current address, and a reliable phone number. Make sure to carefully read and agree to PayPal's user agreement and privacy policy. An important step is verifying your email address by clicking the link sent to your inbox. For identity verification, you will also be asked to provide your social security number, ensuring compliance and security. Now, let's link a funding source. Head over to the Wallet section within your PayPal account. Here, you'll find options to link a bank account or link a debit or credit card. If linking a bank account, you'll typically input your bank's routing number and your personal account number. For a card, simply enter the card number, its expiration date, and the 3- or 4-digit security code from the back or front. To finalize your bank account link, PayPal will make 2 small deposits, usually less than $1 each, which you'll confirm in your account. Once everything is confirmed, you're ready to send and receive money, shop securely online, and manage all your transactions. Don't forget to explore additional features like sending invoices. For enhanced security, consider enabling 2-factor authentication to protect your account even further.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.